You asked for it, so we're here to deliver. How does Impossibly Kosher make fried rice? Stick around and find out. Maybe even Uncle Roger will approve. Kicking it off with the base, some shallots chopped nice and fine, followed up by fresh ginger and a whole lot of garlic. Now some fresh chives and thinly sliced green onions. Get some add-ons like broccoli, sliced mushrooms, and firm tofu as our protein. Dry the tofu with a paper towel nice and well, slice it in half, then long strips, and finally diced. Last but not least, crack 3 full eggs and whisk them well. Alright, with prep done, it's time for the fun part. Get your wok on the stove on high heat and make sure you have your oil ready. We use high smoke point oils like grapeseed oil or peanut oil, and once the wok starts smoking, add a good amount of oil along the rim. Then stir it around to get the oil nice and coated all over the wok. Garlic and shallots in. Move fast or they will burn. Broccoli and mushrooms next. Stir it and let it cook. If you see it starting to dry out, add in some more oil, just like that. And back to stirring, keep going. Eggs in and let them cook. Stir it up to make it cook faster. And followed up by the rice. Make sure it's cold rice. Best is even if it's leftovers from the day before. Break up those clumps as you cook to get each grain on its own. A bit more oil and mix. A drizzle of sesame oil, then some soy sauce, and then mix it again. Keep on going. Quick. Everything is fast with fried rice. And in goes the chives and green onions. Give it a nice toss, a good stir to let it cook, and now the magical MSG. While you're stirring, hit subscribe, ring that bell, and give us a thumbs up. So much going on with Impossibly Kosher, so don't miss it. Keep on tossing it, and plate. Looks good already, but wait, time to make the tofu. Back to the wok, still on high heat, oil in, followed by the tofu. Now cooking it right after the rice will get all those great rice flavors added right onto the tofu. Add in a bit of soy sauce, and keep on stirring for 2 to 3 minutes. And that's it, all done. What you're left with at the end, a packed plate of rice, vegetables, egg and tofu, waiting to be devoured by whomever sits in front of it. That's all there is to it, guys. Simple and delicious egg, vegetable and tofu fried rice made by Impossibly Kosher. How awesome was that video? Don't forget to click the subscribe button down below, give us a thumbs up and ring that bell to get notified of future videos just released.